So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a review video on this Nicka K New York True Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is a new brand, and basically it's new, not that new in India, but it is comparatively new, and this is what I got from Nykaa. So Nicka K is available on Nykaa, as well as some of the eyeshadow palettes of Nicka K are also available on Flipkart. So I got my Nicka K True Matte Lip Color from Nykaa, and I guess I got it for 349 rupees. The original MRP of this is 395 rupees, which is not that expensive. It is an affordable liquid lipstick that you can get from Nykaa. So I got it on discount, that is why it was of 349 rupees. This is how the packaging is. It is a huge packaging, and it is a long packaging, and it is a transparent tube that is color coded. Actually not color coded, you can actually see the lipstick inside it, and it has True Matte written over here. The shade that I got is NTM 10 Turkish Rose. So I am a huge fan of nude, so I wanted to try a nude from this brand, so I went in for Turkish Rose. I did look out for swatches online, and I found it to be really suitable and really nice, so I bought it. So let me show you the wand. So this is a very normal wand that you can see. It is a long wand and a very normal doe foot applicator. So yes, and this is a very sturdy packaging. When you hold it in your hand, you can actually make out that it is so sturdy and not flimsy at all. It is actually a plastic material, but it is really sturdy. So let me show you the swatch. This is Turkish Rose, and in one application it is super opaque. Although I have actually seen people complaining that it is not that opaque, and some of the colors from this range are not opaque at all. So basically this is the shade Turkish Rose. It's a beautiful pinkish nude. It is more on the pinkish side than on the nude side. This is how it looks. It would look really beautiful on fair to medium skin tones. This is what I have on my lips right now. So let's get on with the swatches. The consistency of the lipstick, it is a very thick, creamy kind of a consistency. To compare it, I would say that it is actually thicker than the Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Creams. So essentially it is not that liquidy, it is very creamy. So it is thicker than the Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it is almost of the same moussey, creamy kind of a consistency. It is really thick. So what happens is, when you apply 2 layers of it, it is going to become cracky, and it is going to become really thick on your lips. So I would say one swipe of it is perfectly fine, because this shade in particular is very opaque as well. So once you apply it, I would recommend to not apply it again. And also this is a bit drying on your lips, so if you have really dry lips, then you need to exfoliate your lips first. Then put some lip balm on it, leave it on for a good 5 minutes, and then blot the lip balm off. Do not leave the lip balm on your lips, because if you leave the lip balm on your lips and then apply the liquid lipstick, then it is going to become sticky on your lips. So just blot the lip balm off your lips, and after that apply this lipstick, because if you do not do that, then your lips are going to become really crusty and really dry at the end of the day. So after a good 2-3 hours, if you've applied it and your lips are totally dry, then it is going to become really crusty on your lips. It is going to accentuate all the dry lines and fine lines on your lips. So better is that you exfoliate, make your lips even, and also moisturize, and after that apply this lipstick. The wear time of this lipstick is actually around good 3-4 hours and more if you're not eating anything. Even if you're eating anything, it is going to fade out from the middle like any other liquid lipstick. This shade in particular does not leave any stain behind, so you can easily remove it and you won't even know that you had a lipstick on your lips. So this shade is perfect for days when you really don't want your face to stand out but you still want to look presentable. So you can go for this shade. So all in all, I would say that I expected a lot more out of this lipstick. I was really excited when it came in. So when it came in, I was really excited, but when I tried it on, it was really thick and crusty on my lips after a good 3 hours. So I am not that a big fan of this, but not bad as well for 395 rupees. I think it is an okay kind of a lipstick, although I had really high expectations out of this lipstick. But for someone who's looking for a nice affordable everyday option, and for someone who does not have really dry lips, you can try this and go for it totally. So guys, this was my short and sweet review on the Nicka K True Matte Lip Color. So I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time with my next video. Bye.